Check this waterfall out by Pond Paradise Designs. This is at the Miller Place Fire Department, Eastern Long Island. It's a 9/11 Memorial Waterfall. You guys see this thing. It's got 24,000 gallons of water coming down, and it is really hitting it nice. I got some strategic marsh rocks in place on this one. What a puzzle this was. I gotta talk louder so you can hear me. This thing's overpowering my voice. It's incredible. Let's go check this out. Going up the hill this way. Coming that way, we got a waterfall on the right here. Coming down, got a babbling brook area like that. Going up the hill more. Going this way to a double set of waterfalls right here. This thing's getting better in time. I did this about, I don't know, a couple years back, and it's just getting better as time goes on. Plants are growing in, rocks look more aged. Look at the run on this thing. It's like 70 feet long. It's incredible. Let's go check out the other side. There we go. Another waterfall, some log action, some LED lights at night. This thing looks incredible. Coming down, it's got a nice split up in the middle. See the other one in the back, coming down nicely. Again, this was a piece of the North Tower right there. Pretty powerful right there. And they put it in there as remembrance. And I was honored they asked me to do this. I really was. Got some really nice heart and soul involved in this job. Unfortunately, somebody they lost, they loved. All the way down. Into the Pondless pit. There it all goes. And right back up the hill. Get that far back shot again. There's the shot right there. That's it.